In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a PDF's version in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Knowing the PDF version is helpful when you're sharing files with colleagues or clients who use older viewers, or when a print shop requests a specific compatibility level. This quick check ensures your document will open and behave as expected wherever it goes. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. If you already have a PDF open that you want to verify, you're in great shape. If not, make sure a document is active, because the properties we're about to look at are tied to the PDF that's currently open in Acrobat. Next, go to the menu at the top of the screen. You'll see the standard options running along the top toolbar. Click the File menu to reveal its options, and then choose Properties. This opens the Document Properties window, which provides a snapshot of important details about your file. When the Document Properties window appears, you'll land on the Description tab by default in most setups. This tab lists the file's title, author information, if present, creation and modification dates, and more. What we're interested in is the PDF version field. Look toward the lower area of this window, where you'll find a labeled box that indicates the PDF version. It may read something like PDF version 1.7, Acrobat 8.x, or a similar notation. This entry tells you the version of the PDF standard that the document uses, not the version of the Acrobat application itself. A quick tip as you read that label. The number, such as 1.3, 1.4, 1.7, or later, reflects features available in that file. Higher numbers typically support newer capabilities, like enhanced transparency, layers, or interactive elements. If you're troubleshooting compatibility, a lower version may be safer for older workflows, while a higher version can be beneficial when you need more advanced features. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. The Document Properties window might vary by release, but the PDF version label remains in the description area, usually near the bottom. Expand the window if needed so the lower section is fully visible. Once you've noted the version, you can close the Properties window and continue working. That's all there is to it. You opened Adobe Acrobat Pro, went to the top menu, selected File, then Properties, and read the PDF version in the bottom area of the Document Properties box. With this information in hand, you'll be better prepared to share, archive, or print your PDFs with confidence.